Zanzibar, just the name evokes something magical. Off the coast of Tanzania, this island paradise operates on its own time. Forget your watch, forget your schedule. Zanzibar time is about embracing the rhythm of the tides, the warmth of the sun, and the spice of the air. But to truly experience the best of Zanzibar, timing is everything. When to visit, it depends on you. Want endless sunshine and perfect beach weather? Dry season is your time. Prefer lush landscapes and vibrant cultural events? The rainy season might be a perfect storm. Let's break it down. Zanzibar's dry season is prime time for many visitors. From June to October, the weather is dry and sunny, perfect for lazy days on the beach or exploring the island's historic stone town. This is the time for swimming, snorkeling, diving, and soaking up the sun. But the dry season isn't monolithic. It has its own distinct personalities. From June to October, the air is dry and cool with a refreshing breeze. Temperatures are pleasant, perfect for exploring without breaking a sweat. December to February is Zanzibar's hot season. Temperatures soar and the humidity rises. This is the time for sunbathers and heat seekers, those who live for that tropical warmth. June to October is ideal for water babies. The seas are calm, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and diving. Visibility is excellent, offering glimpses of colorful coral reefs and diverse marine life. This is also the best time to visit Prison Island, home to giant tortoises, or take a dhow safari to spot dolphins. On land, the cooler temperatures are perfect for exploring stone towns, labyrinthine alleyways, historic buildings, and bustling markets. Don't miss the nightly food market at Forodani Gardens, where you can savor Zanzibari delicacies under the stars. December to February in Zanzibar is all about embracing the heat. The sun is intense, the humidity is high, and the pace of life slows to a crawl. This is the time to perfect your tan, sip cocktails by the pool, and surrender to the island's languid rhythms. While this period sees less rain, short afternoon showers can occur, offering a welcome respite from the heat. The humidity can be challenging for some, but it's all part of the Zanzibar experience. Just remember to stay hydrated and embrace the siesta. Section 5. Green Season Goodness, Embracing the Rains. Zanzibar's rainy season from March to May is often overlooked, but for those seeking a different perspective on the island, it offers its own unique charm. The rains transform the landscape into a lush, verdant paradise. The air is clean and fresh, and the island feels revitalized. Yes, there will be rain, sometimes heavy downpours, sometimes a gentle drizzle. But the rain rarely lasts all day, and between the showers you'll experience a different side of Zanzibar. Fewer crowds, lower prices, and a sense of tranquility that's hard to find during the busy dry season. Section 6. Rainy Season Rhythms, Life Under the Clouds. During the rainy season, life in Zanzibar continues, albeit at a slightly slower pace. Locals are accustomed to the rain, and life goes on. Markets overflow with fresh produce, the scent of cloves and spices permeates the air, and the sound of rain drumming on rooftops creates a soothing soundtrack. This is a great time to immerse yourself in local culture. Visit villages, interact with locals, and experience the authentic rhythms of Zanzibar life. You might even get invited to a traditional Swahili meal or a local celebration. Section 7. Zanzibar's eventful calendar, finding your fit. Zanzibar's cultural calendar is as vibrant as its landscapes. Throughout the year, the island comes alive with festivals, celebrations, and events that offer a glimpse into its rich heritage and traditions. Timing your visit to coincide with one of these events can add an extra dimension to your trip. The Zanzibar International Film Festival, held in July, is a must for film buffs. The Sauti za Busara Music Festival in February celebrates African music and culture. And the Mwaka Kogwa Festival in July is a unique New Year celebration involving mock fights and dancing. Section 8. Timing is everything, crowds, costs, and comfort. Ultimately, the best time to visit Zanzibar depends on your priorities. If you're seeking sunshine, clear skies, and vibrant underwater experiences, the dry season is ideal. But be prepared for larger crowds and higher prices. If you're on a budget, prefer a quieter experience. And don't mind the occasional downpour. The rainy season offers excellent value and a different perspective on the island. Just remember to pack for all types of weather. Section 9, Zanzibar beckons, your island adventure awaits. Zanzibar is a year-round destination, each season offering a unique slice of paradise. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, this island paradise has something for everyone. So pack your bags, embrace the pole, slowly, philosophy, and prepare to be enchanted by the magic of Zanzibar. No matter when you choose to go, Zanzibar promises an unforgettable experience. Just remember to listen to the rhythm of the island, embrace the unexpected, and let the spirit of Zanzibar work its magic.